Hello everyone, I'm the chef Dwight, and today I'll be making Jamaican oxtail. First we wash the oxtail with lime juice. The next step is to marinate the oxtail. So we use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of browning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, and 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. And now we mix. I put some plastic wrap over my oxtail and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay folks, it's 24 hours now and I'm gonna get my oxtail from the fridge. So now I threw oil in my pot, the oil is hot, and I'm gonna add my oxtail to sear them. Now that my oxtail is brown on all sides, I'm going to throw some onion, scallion and garlic and saute for 2 minutes. I'm going to add some ketchup and simmer for 2 minutes again. Now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of beef broth on my oxtail. So it should look like this. You want the water just to cover the oxtail. Now I'm gonna simmer for 3 to 4 hours. If your water runs out on the oxtail, just add some more hot water. So it's 3 hours now, and as you can see my oxtail is falling off the bone. So now I'm gonna add some carrots and butter bean for 20 minutes. It's 30 minutes now. My oxtail is finished, so I'm gonna plate. Okay folks, here's my oxtail that I made with some rice and peas. I hope you guys learn how to make it. And don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.